Galaxy Z Flip is an upcoming smartphone by Samsung. The phone is rumored to come with a 6.7 inches touchscreen primary display with a resolution of 180 x 2636 pixels. It also features a 1.06 inches and its secondary display resolution is 160 x 300 pixels. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is expected to be powered by 2.84 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is rumored to run Android 10. And is expected to be powered by 33 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip supports wireless charging. As far as the camera are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is rumored to pack a 12 megapixel primary camera with an 1.8 aperture. And second 12 megapixel camera with an 2.2 aperture. It expected to a spot of 10 megapixel camera in front of selfies with a 2.0 aperture. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip run One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 and packs 256 of inbuilt storage. Connectivity options of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is said include to Wi-Fi, GPS and USB Type-C. Sensor of the phone is rumored to include fingerprint sensor. It is said to launch in black and purple colors.